Hi, my name is Sam Ray. I am currently a sophomore at the University of South Florida, majoring in economics, specifically quantitative economics and econometrics, pursuing a bachelor's degree. This is my Tableau presentation on KAT Insurance Company. The graph represents total sales per state and indicates highest and lower dollar amounts per state. The graph shows that the state with the highest total sales was New Jersey, accumulating $1,091,568.45 in sales. The state that recorded the lowest total sales was Massachusetts with $764,532.11 in total sales. The three states that did not meet the $800,000 sales requirement were Connecticut, Vermont, and Massachusetts. This graph shows the average amount that each insurance policy was per state. The state with the highest average cost per policy was New York with an average of $788.32, and the state with the lowest average price per policy was Connecticut with $601.14. This graph shows the amount of policies sold per state. The range of policies sold per state were between 1,400 for the most and 1,230 for the least. The state with the most policies sold was Maine with the 1,400 and Louisiana with the 1,230. This graph indicates each region of the country's total sales. The region with the most sales was the Northeast, accumulating $9,301,632.10, and the region with the lowest total sales was New England, accumulating only $4,832,311.45 in sales. This graph indicates the top sales representative in each region. The highest selling reps in their respective regions were Matt in the Northeast with over $3 million in sales, Jennifer in the Southeast with just over $2.5 million in sales, Dave with just over $2.5 million in sales in the Midwest, Pete with just over $3.5 million of sales in the West, Mario with $3.5 million in sales in the North Central region, and Sarah with just under $2.5 million in sales in the New England region. This graph depicts the dollar amount of insurance sales per region per type of insurance. The types of insurance were professional, auto, home, disability, and life. The most common insurance sold in each region was professional, and in each region the least common insurance sold was life. This last map shows the amount of sales in dollars per state, the darker states with more and the lighter states with less. Most sales seem to come in the region bordering Ohio, Virginia, New York, and any state in between it, with the Southwest region and specifically Louisiana and New Mexico with the lowest amount of sales. Florida with a very decent amount of sales, very different from the rest of the Southeast region, and that's it. This last slide is a depiction of all the graphs put together for easy access with the key to the right showing what the colors represent per graph. And that is all.